Hi, I'm Nelson from Techie Portal. Hello guys, this time I just want to demonstrate to you this web page design that we were going to create later on this tutorial. Okay, so please enjoy and don't go away. Okay, so you notice guys, if we try to click on this one, so there are items showing up, and yes, we have here table and a form components like the ID text box and full name text box. If we want to uncollapse this one, just click this button once again, then it will uncollapse. So this button have a common um, what they call to that. So these two buttons have the same property, but a different content. Okay, so we have here from GE, yeah, different content but the same property. Okay, so you'll notice that every time the button is clicked, the icon changes into a different icon type. It's like a minus circle, meaning it means that uh, you are collapsing the item inside this button. And if you want to click that one, so you are trying to uncollapse. Okay, so the icon, okay, turns into its default property, which is the plus circle. Okay, and another is in this web page design, or yes, in this web page design, I made just here a card. Yes, a card class and some other child classes of card like card header, card body, and card footer. Also, yes, icons. We also have icons here from Web Font Awesome. Okay, so I think that's all. Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video for more tutorial guys. So I see you on the next video.